Nautical tips in a nutshell. Fixed bulwark, yes. Opening bulwark, no. This is the question. Follow us. As usual, I'm not alone and ugly showing off this boat, but I have Chiara with me precisely to help you notice even more the possibility of having an opening bulwark and the sense of openness it gives to the boat's cockpit. Many manufacturers have decided to go down this path, making fold-down bulwarks, so opening bulwarks. What does this allow? It has huge advantages because you greatly increase the space inside the cockpit, almost doubling it if you also add the fold-down bulwark on the left, which many shipyards have now decided to include. In addition to this, we also have the chance to enjoy the sea more, so having an opening on the sides, which was often an issue for clients who were undecided about choosing an outboard or a stern drive, because with the obstruction of the outboard, I don't have direct access to the sea. In this case, with the drop-down side, I do have it, so I can enjoy the boat and the entire cockpit in complete freedom and with maximum contact with the water, with the sea, with the good life you've chosen to live. Chiara, tell us your opinion too. This opening side, do you think it makes sense or not? You can't just say yes, obviously.
No, absolutely not. It makes sense. It makes sense to expand the space.
Great, great, great. Can you see the sea right away? Do you immediately feel the connection with the sea? You're instantly, yeah, there's so much more to it. Having someone next to me on the boat who agrees with me is fantastic. Of course, there are also some downsides, or rather, production drawbacks, in the sense that the production of a fold-down bulwark has to be done properly. And Wellcraft definitely does it the right way. Right, Chiara?
Of course.
Perfect. Okay, so it has to be well made, well built, and it has a lot more mechanisms. I mean, if you have a straight bulwark, there's really no maintenance you need to do. Whereas with this setup, you'll have things that need to be maintained, checked, like the locks, seals, hinges, pistons. But once you've decided you want fold-down sides, well, it's the optimal choice. So my honest advice, avoid shipyards that offer you this solution at a low price, because it means they'll do a terrible job. So trust shipyards that know how to do things and do them well. All that's left for me to do is thank Wellcraft and the Beneteau Group for allowing me to make this video on board the boat. Chiara, who, in quotes, chose to stay with me on the boat to show you this solution. And from the 2025 Genoa Boat Show, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.